Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make lumpia Shanghai using pork genaling by Argentina, from Argentina. Okay, Argentina brand. Okay, so I'm gonna, these are all the ingredients. Tablespoon of carrots, onions, bell pepper, garlic, and then 2 cans of this one, black pepper, salt, sugar, and maybe I'm gonna put egg also. I just try to see first if it is not super dry. Okay, if it is dry, I'm gonna get an egg. And then the other one. Ingredients here. Okay, we're gonna add black pepper, a pinch of salt, just little guys. Okay, and then a teaspoon of sugar, just a teaspoon. Okay, okay, I'm gonna add 1 egg. Okay, apat na to guys. Let's try to see it. You add more, just a little. Okay. Okay guys, the carrots, the garlic, the onions, the bell pepper, black pepper, so it's egg, so it's already there. So now it's done. So we just add more. Okay, just like that, like a tablespoon. Okay guys, look at that one guys. So okay, yeah, it's very easy to wrap guys. Okay, okay guys, so that's it. Okay, okay, one more. Okay guys, like that, like that, like that guys, and then seal it with the water. Okay. Oh, so look at that one guys. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pieces only. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. That's it for the first batch. done. Look at that one. Oh. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna test, guys. Look at that one. Oh, it's very yummy already. Okay, see that one. Oh, look at our lumpia Shanghai using pork giniling from Argentina. Pork giniling. Okay, so I wanna taste now. Mm. 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 Super yummy. Okay, guys. Mm. If you want to be quick, you want to make lumpia Shanghai, you just use the pork Argentina giniling in the can so that you can make it right away, and it's very quick. Okay. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, The_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube, TikTok, and to my personal blog. Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.